The runners. As a first step, disconnect the runners. Loosen the screws and remove the metal bar, which has been holding the runners together. Now, take the cylinder bolt out of the runner's socket. The same process will be followed for the second runner. It is held in place by a small screw. Loosen the screw and take out the bolt. Next, set the runners together by connecting the two rods, which will become the stabilization rod, located at the back of the runners. Insert the lateral support into the runner's socket. Slide the cylinder bolt into the runner's socket. The groove in the cylinder bolt should be facing upwards. Remember, the screw at the top of the lateral support should be facing outwards. The small screw on top of the cylinder bolt will hold it in place. The glue should be applied to this small screw. Screw in the small screw with the glue applied. Tighten both screws in the lower joint. Knee holders. Put the knee holders on the lateral supports. The knee holders can be adjusted on the lateral support to any desired height. Simply fasten a small screw at the back of the knee holder. The Velcro straps should be facing downwards. The corset. Lift the corset and carefully put it on the lateral supports. Let it gradually slide down to the bottom, but prevent the corset against falling down with full force. The corset is attached to the lateral supports by means of two screws with washers. Remember the number because the other screw has to be fastened at the same level. Tighten also the small screw located on the lower portion of the lateral supports of the corset. The distance between the runners and the lateral supports of the corset should be equal. To put on the safety belts, you should take off the chest support. Move the cushion in the lateral arm support to the side and loosen the small screw. Remove the chest support and put on the back supports. Now replace the chest support and tighten the screws. You can also adjust the chest support. The handles. Attach the handles to the corset. Fasten the small screw in order to have the handle fixed firmly in place.